What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back again with another video, and this time I have the Whizzer B6. I saw these on AliExpress like months ago. They took forever to get here because of what's going on in the world, but yeah, they look pretty dope. Figured I'd order them up. Here they are. Finally. So let's get this box popped. Let's take a look at what's inside. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do what we do. I'm gonna let you know how they sound. You're gonna let me know how the mic sounds. So let's do this now. So on the box right here, they are IPX7, but what I thought was kind of cool, they have a 1000 milliamp battery. That was pretty special. That's like double most of the Bluetooth earbud cases that you get. It's gonna give you like 100 hours of standby. It's also rocking the Qualcomm QCC 3020 chip. It's got the aptX, AAC, and SBC codec. Let's get inside this thing. Ooh, I forgot it was red. That's pretty cool. This case is different, right? It's huge. This isn't pocketable at all. What's this tab here? Excellent. Let's get out. This tab's gonna annoy me, I can already tell. USB Type-C, so that's good. How does this open? Oh, it's magnetic. I like how that sounds. Hopefully we got a charge. The light's on, we got a charge. We got something. Let's check out what else is in the box before we get too far ahead of ourselves. So, USB A to C, some additional ear tips. Looks like some red ones in there, that's cool. And then we got manuals, quick start guide, guarantee card. That's what we got. Let's get to the main course. Let's see if we can get these suckers paired. Let's see how it goes. There it is, B6, pairing up, pair, boom. That was easy, no muss, no fuss. Let's see what codec pops up. Let's check this out. Did you guys catch that? The aptX codec popped up right away. Before I pop these in my ear, check this out. These are different. They're kind of cool looking. They kind of look like a lima bean, like a red lima bean. On the back of them, it tells you R and L, obviously for right ear, left ear. Let's go. Let's see. Twist that right in. Twist that right in. It chimed. Heard it. Let's open up some YouTube music. I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth test playlist. Here we go. Ooh. Highs are nice. The bass, I like them. Hits hard. Whew. And that was it. The batteries just died. These things hit really hard. Check this out too. I just realized I didn't even know. Let's see if I can get this in frame. Wireless charger. Bam! They are charging wirelessly. See the light flashing? That means it's doing a thing. What I got to do now, let's put these back in the case. I'm gonna let these charge for a good 10 or 15 minutes. And then we're gonna get back to that mic test. So I'll be right back. For you, it'll be a blink of an eye. For me, it'll feel like an eternity. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. The Whizzers are charged up, ready to go. And next up is a mic test. So let me pop them back in my ears. All right, and let's go ahead and start the test. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Whizzers B6 Bluetooth earbuds. Let me know how my voice sounds. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Whizzer B6, now with ambient noise running in the background. All right, guys, so let's do a little head shake. Nothing's happening. Solid in my ears. These have actually created a pretty strong seal in my ears. I'm probably yelling pretty loudly, so let's take these out. Overall, I like how they sound. They feel good in my ears. They sound good in my ears. Hopefully that mic test holds up. And these are a well-rounded pair of earbuds. They came in at about 49 bucks when I originally purchased them. I'm sure you could pick them up for that or less. I got them on AliExpress. That's it, guys. That's what I have for you today. You know what to do now. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace!